ABC Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have speaking practice. Using English dialogues for kids telling time. What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Time to get up.
Let's brush our teeth.
Is it time for breakfast?
Yes, it's 8 o'clock a.m.
I'm hungry.
Let's eat it.
What time do you go to school?
I go at 8:30.
Me too.
Let's walk together.
It's 9 o'clock.
Time for math class.
I like numbers.
Me too.
What time is recess?
At 10:15.
Yay, I want to play.
Let's go to the playground.
Is it 12 o'clock already?
Yes, it's lunchtime.
Let's eat our sandwiches.
Don't forget your shoes.
What time do you read books?
At 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
I love story time.
Let's read together.
What time is art class?
At 2 p.m.
Let's paint.
I'll draw a rainbow.
Is it 3 o'clock now?
Yes, school is over.
Time to go home.
See you tomorrow.
What time is your nap?
At 4 p.m.
I'm sleepy too.
Let's take a rest.
It's 5 o'clock.
Time to help Mom.
I'll set the table.
I'll bring the water.
Do you know what time is it?
It's 6 o'clock.
Time for dinner.
Let's eat together.
When do you do your homework?
At 6:30.
Let's do it now.
Okay, I will get me clothes.
It is 7 o'clock yet.
Yes, time for cartoons.
Let's watch together.
I love funny shows.
What time do you take a bath?
Around 7:30.
I like bubble baths.
Me too.
When do you go to bed?
At 8 p.m.
Time to sleep. It's 9 p.m.
I already in bed.
Sweet dreams.
Good night.
What time do you wake up?
At 6:30 in the morning.
That's early.
I like morning time.
It is 10:30 yet?
Yes, let's start the puzzle.
I'll find the corners.
I'll match the colors.
What time is snack time?
At 3:30.
I have cookies.
I brought the juice.
It's 11.
Time to clean up.
I'll put away the toys.
I'll fold the mat.
What time is music class?
At 9:45.
I love singing.
Let's play instruments.
Do you know what time is it now?
It's almost 2:30.
Time FLIs.
Let's hurry.
It's 11:15.
Time for quiet reading.
Pick a new book.
Let's read together.
When is bedtime on weekends?
At 9 p.m.
That's later than weekdays.
Yay! More time to play.
What time is the movie?
It's 7:15.
Don't be late.
Let's get popcorn.
What time do you brush your teeth?
At 6:45 in the morning.
Me too.
Clean teeth. Happy smile.
What time is show and tell?
At 10 a.m.
I brought my toy car.
I brought a teddy bear.
It's 12:30.
12:30.
Time goes fast.
Let's enjoy our day.
Thanks for listening.